show. Today we'll be talking about boys. Christina, do you want to start?
No, Julia's gonna start.
Julia.
What am I starting?
No, how many
boys
have you had now, Julia?
8?
8, really? When did you start having an interest in boys?
What's up with boys?
6th grade.
Really?
You had 8?
6th grade? Christina, this is not an Oprah Winfrey show. Calm down. Or Dr. Phil.
You had 8, all 8 in 6th grade?
No, I had like a million in 6th grade and like 2 in 7th grade and like not in 8th grade. No, I don't know. I don't think I had any in 8th grade. I don't know.
Now, Melody, how many have you had? 7. Now, who are these people? I'm not telling that.
You didn't even
Who's
name
your
mine.
favorite by far?
Dylan.
Really?
Don't make
I hope
me
you're watching the show.
Don't make me answer that, please. Thank you.
We're waiting.
I'm not answering it.
Christina! How many boyfriends have you had?
I'm a loser.
Zero. Would you like to make one up?
Okay.
Davey!
His name's Philip.
Davey!
His name's Philip.
His name's
You're bad at that coffee.
Julia?
Yeah, let's try.
Julia? Let Christina answer.
His name's Philip.
Philip? What does he look like?
Bob Joe.
What does he look like?
He doesn't have a face. He doesn't have a head.
He doesn't have anything.
He has a penis.
Yeah, I was like, big for her.
And now we'll go to our commercial
He's
break.
just a penis. Now, how many have you had?
We're going to a commercial break.
How many have you had?
I'm not allowed to answer
Some
that.
random
Yes,
penis
yeah.
that's staying there. So then when Christina's around, it goes,
Children, world camera.
Yep, Philip Bob Joe.
No, Julia, may I ask you, who's been here? Exactly, it's the job talking about Philip Bob Joe. That's his mom.
That's how he talks. Oh, no, he just says when you come up, he goes, other than that, he's completely silent.
That's lovely.
Unless it's like Pamela Anderson or
Ew.
her.
Pamela Anderson is a big boob. This bugs me.
Obviously.
Hey guys.
Did you know Kelly Heppenstall wears 3 bras?
3?
Are you serious? How is that even possible?
I don't know. Cameron told me about
How
that.
could you wear 30 bras though?
What?
That
Really?
long? No, keep filming. How would you wear 3 bras?
She doesn't.
It's only been a minute.